how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo's back, you know what I mean? How you doing? I hope you're doing great. This 2006 Subaru Forester, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace this guy. You know what I'm saying? Not this one though, because that one's good, but the bolts doesn't work. But this one, we're gonna replace this one. Alright. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel. Alright, support the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Holla at your boy. You know what time it is. You know the vibes. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know it. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hit the bell button. I said that. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Yada 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 yada. Oh yeah. The other way you can support the channel is by watch the whole commercial. Alright, watch the whole ad. This right here is like regular TV. You know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials. You know what I'm saying? I said it before, and I'm gonna say it again. Watch the whole ad. That would be the part number. Okay. 2006, 2008. Okay. Yeah, watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. They last between 5 to 10 seconds. Don't worry about it. You need a break sometimes, know what I'm saying? Take a chill pill. Grab a drink. Do your thing. And keep watching this video, know what I'm saying? Ooh. Alright, let's jump into the action. Yeah, this is a big motherfucker. Excuse my French. Let's see all this come in when you get one of this. That's a brand. You know what I'm saying? The whole 9. You see it, you know the vibes. For the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? Okay, Gucci. In a better angle. There you go. Kitty. Yeah. Now we come through. Open the hood like this. Is there? Come through here. Right in the middle. See the latch. Okay. You see the vibes. Come cheer. We got over here. We got one over here. That's 10mm. Alright. And then disconnect it. Over there. Go over there. And then. So you're gonna need these two guys. Start a screwdriver and the clipper remover for this, guys. Show you how to do it. Sometimes you gotta hold it the wrong circle outside because it's spinning like crazy. Sometimes you just pop them like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Keep moving, we keep moving, you know what I'm saying? Some of these guys don't belong here, but they work. They hold the thing, ding. How y'all doing? Everything good? Yeah, any plans for the weekend? Talking to you guys. Now, all you gotta do here is pull it back, you know what I'm saying? Like that. And try to make it even, you know what I'm saying? You have to pop this like this, come around, back. It has some clips in it, so that's like teeth. Just pop it around. So just be careful though. You gotta pop it around. Okay. Now it's getting looser. Do the same here, you know what I'm saying? You see it vibes. Okay. Now you have enough gap. Just put it like this. And over here, and there's 2 10s. 1, 2. Okay. So if we have something like this, it's better. That's a 3/8 electric tool, electric ratchet. So this will make your life easier. But if you don't, just use something like this. This is a 1/4. You know what I'm saying? With a 10 millimeter socket. You know what I'm saying? This is 8 though. We need a 10. So with one hand you're gonna pull it, and with the other hand you're gonna go in and you know what I mean? Then don't forget this one. Maybe you're gonna have another one here. Okay, I don't see it doing this one. Now you're gonna come through here. Pop this guy right here. Pop it. It's a bolt right there. Or a clip. There's a clip. Okay. Just take it out. Now you remove that clip, and all your life is gonna turn easy. Easy. Alright. It's the whole thing over here. Putting it down. Pulse. Now find a clip over here. There's a clip over there. And then down here, there's another 10 right there. Now if you come around that clip, just squeeze it from the sides like that. It's gonna pop. We'll remove that thing that was there. Okay, squeeze it like this with a needle plier. Pop. Nice. Audi. Now you can pull it out. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna disconnect it, guys. Just squeeze it here. Squeeze it. Same here. If you don't want to squeeze it, Audi, just like that. Don't forget this one's. Squeeze it too, or just turn it. Turn it. There it is. Ooh, water. Yeah. Look at that. It's for the thumbnail. Now we just installed a new one. Connect all these guys. Remove those light bolts. Make sure to click. GD. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. That's all you do. That's how you replace the headlight assembly in this 2006, between 2006 and 2008 Subaru Forester. Alright, don't forget to support the channel. Alright, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, click the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. The other way you can support the channel too is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. Sometimes you need a break, know what I'm saying? So if you feel stressed or tired because of a project, you know, just kick it for a minute, know what I'm saying? These ads, these commercials last between 5 to 10 seconds, so that's not gonna kill you, know what I'm saying? So watch the whole commercial, don't skip it, and that's how you're gonna support the channel, know what I'm saying? I do you, you do me, pause, not like that though, but you get the message, know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm clocking now. Axtuo, Burun, Amaudi, yeah.